Hello everyone, I'm Dylan Smith and in my group is Evan, Michelle, and Michael, and I'm going to be speaking about Teach for America's mission statement. So before we get into our mission statement, we have to talk about the challenge that we face. We're concerned with fighting to end educational inequity within the US. This is a huge problem in the United States, and there are far too many students that are growing up around the US that don't have the access to resources and opportunities and go to schools that are frankly ill-equipped. The National Center for Education Statistics reported in 2018 that over 1 million students drop out of high school in the US. The majority of these students are people of color and also in low-income households. Next, let's reflect on our values. We aspire for equity. We pursue this by altering structures and policies to help recognize equity for all students, not just a certain group of people. Next, we aim to strengthen communities. Our members and core members work closely with communities, so developing inclusive relationships is extremely vital. We have to make sure that we're making an impact. Our impact has to be meaningful. This is why we focus on our success through data. We have to remember to be courageous. Equity isn't an easy fight. We have to practice courage, especially when it's most difficult. Humility is another important practice. It will help us navigate different life experiences and perspectives. We also must remember to show resilience. Resilience, like courage and humility, is a necessary value for our challenges in fighting for equity. Finally, Teach for America values learning endlessly. We must constantly seek to innovate, improve, and learn from our past and present successes and failures. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how we do what we do. So let's talk about our approach. We recruit an array of exceptional leaders that become what we call our core members. They then teach in low-income neighborhoods for 2 years. Our core members work to bolster opportunities for students in order to make educational equity attainable, because after all, that's what we're fighting for. After the core members' 2-year commitment, many continue teaching with Teach for America. Others seek leadership roles in schools, in our Teach for America organization, or pursue careers in completely different industries. But at the end of the day, all of our core member alumni, everyone in that Teach for America network, is always advocating for educational equity. And that's our mission statement at Teach for America. Thank you so much for listening, and I can answer any questions that you may have.